In today's video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the Settings app, and under Settings, scroll down until you find the option Battery and Device Care. Next, select Storage, and under Storage, you should see the option Contacts. Here, a list of contacts that you've deleted will appear. So to restore them, simply tap on Edit and then select the contacts and then tap on Restore All. So you'll notice when you go back to your contacts, they've come back or they've been restored. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.